Hello from the Austin Peay State University Writing Center, and in this video we'll be going over how to write a poem. There are many types of poetry. A haiku is a Japanese form of poetry that consists of 3 lines with 5 syllables in the first and third lines, and 7 syllables in the second line. A sonnet is a 14-line poem with a specific rhyme scheme. A limerick is a 5-line humorous poem with an AABBA rhyme scheme. And a villanelle is a 19-line poem with repeated lines and a strict rhyme scheme. How to write a poem. First, decide how many lines your poem will have, how many syllables will be in each line, and what rhyme scheme you will follow. A stanza is a group of lines separated by extra space from other groups, and that line or stanza breaks can create rhythm or emphasis. Next, consider voice and tone. Consider how the speaker of the poem sounds. Is the voice serious, playful, or reflective? The tone will shape how readers experience the poem. Next, develop a central theme. Each stanza, or section, should clearly connect to your main theme or idea, similar to a thesis in an essay. Next, include a turn or volta. A volta is a shift in a poem's tone, perspective, or argument. It often appears in sonnets, around line 9, and signals a change. For example, lines 1 through 8 will describe a problem or feeling, and line 9 will introduce a new viewpoint or resolution. Use repetition. Repetition can create rhythm and emphasis. It is most effective when the repeated words take on a different meaning or context each time they appear. For example, boat on the Sante River, boat in the driving rain, boat with no anchors. Imagery. Elements of a poem that invoke any of the 5 senses to create a set of mental images, specifically using vivid or figurative language to represent ideas, objects, or actions. For example, the winter evening settles down, with smell of steaks and passageways. Include sound devices. Sound devices add texture and musicality to your poetry. Sound devices include alliteration, which is the repetition of the same consonant sound at the beginning of nearby words. For example, writing workshops welcome writers. Assonance, which is the repetition of the same vowel sound within nearby words. For example, the tutors guide students through the room. Consonants, the repetition of consonant sounds, not necessarily at the beginning of words, within or at the ends of nearby words. For example, students draft and edit papers while tutoring suggests ideas. Onomatopoeia, words that imitate or suggest the sound they describe. For example, the pen glided across the page while keyboards clacked and chairs squeaked in the writing center. Thank you so much for listening to this presentation. If you have any further questions, please schedule an appointment with a writing tutor today. We also have other resources available on our website and YouTube channel. Thank you so much.